population and sample standard deviation review. Population and sample standard deviation measures the speed of the data distribution. Actually measures the speed, how much it is speed that it is. It measures the typical distance between each data point and mean. What is the distance between the mean and the data point? Each data point, how far they are from mean. That is actually the measure. That is standard deviation measures. The formula we use for standard deviation depends on whether the data is being considered a population of its own or the data is sample. Okay, if our data is considered sample, then and it will be treated differently, or a sample, then it will be treated differently. If the data is being considered a population, then we divide by data point n. Okay, if the data is considered population, then we will divide by n, and if the data is sample, then we n minus 1. Okay, population standard deviation will be calculated by using this formula if the sample is considering as a population. Okay, if uh, the data is considered as a sample, then we will use this formula. Okay. This step is in each population are all the same expected from 1. We divide by 1 less than the number of data points when dealing with the sample data. We will go through each formula step by step in the examples below. Okay, so here are a few examples. So population. So first step in is if to use divide by n. Will do that, we will have to divide and first calculate mean is from the side, and then subtract the mean by each data point. Okay, and then differences are called deviations, and those deviations will be again squared, right? And square it and then add it and then divide the sum of the number and then take the square root of the variance. Okay, so it's the step is in this example. Look, we have to calculate first mean. I did all these and divided by 4, and then is equal to 3, and then subtract the mean from each 4, and then we will get mean minus each point, 6 minus 3, 2 minus 3, 3 minus 3, and so on. And then dump this all and then square it. Yeah, 3 square minus 1 square, and then 0 square, and that's all. And then add it all. Okay, this adding it all and divide it by the n. Yes, n. So I will get this value and then square root it, and then this is 1.8. And similarly, sample standard deviation. In this case, only the difference is we have to do n minus 1. So I'll put to keep on doing like this, and then only difference is 4 minus 1. Okay, so I'll get like this. Okay.